Next topic, exercise 11.3, question number 7, 9, 11. Exercise 11.3, question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle, including its diameter. Okay, we have to calculate the perimeter of this figure, including this diameter. Diameter already given that 10 centimeter. We can calculate the radius. What is the radius? Diameter divided by 2. That means 10 divided by 2. Then diameter equal to 10 centimeter, radius equal to diameter divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 2 equal to 5 centimeter. Perimeter of semicircle including its diameter equal to, here semicircle pi r plus diameter, pi r plus d, pi equal to 3.14 into r equal to what? 5 plus 10. 15.70 plus 10 equal to 25.70 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this figure, including diameter. Next, Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Using that wire, Shazli made a circle. Okay, that length is equal to 44 centimeter. Length of wire is equal to 44 centimeter. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Take pi equal to 22 by 7. Here, length of the wire equal to what? Length of the wire 44 centimeter. Length of the wire equal to 44 centimeter. If the wire bent into the shape of a circle, means what? That length of the wire become what? Circumference of the circle. That means 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeter. Here, if the wire bent into a circle, circumference equal to, what is its circumference? Circumference equal to length of the wire, that is equal to 44 centimeter. What is the formula to find the circumference? 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeter. Pi value already given, that 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 44 centimeter. Okay, 2 into 22, 44 by 7 into r equal to 44. R equal to 44 by 7, moving to this side, divided by 44 by 7 equal to 44 into 7 by 44 equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, radius 7 centimeter. We have to calculate its area also. What is the area of the circle? Area equal to pi r square, pi equal to 22 by 7 into r square equal to 7 square, that means 7 into 7, 7 and 7 you can cancel. 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. Okay. Next one, the same wire bent into the shape of a square. Using the same wire, Shazli made another figure. What's it? What's that? Square. Okay. That means what? That length of the wire represent what? The perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square? 4 into one side. Okay. If the wire bent into a square, perimeter of square equal to four into 44 centimeter. 4 into one side equal to 44 centimeter. Therefore, one side equal to what? 44 divided by 4 equal to 11 centimeter. One side equal to 11 centimeter. Then next one, what's it? What will be the length of each of its sides? 11 centimeter. Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? We have to calculate its area also. Area of square. Area of square equal to side into side. Equal to what? 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter equal to what? 121 centimeter square. Okay. Here question, which figure encloses more area? 154 centimeter square or 121 centimeter square? 154 centimeter square is greater than 121 centimeter square. Definitely the circle area is encloses more. Okay. Clear? The circle's area encloses more. Okay. Next question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is that area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Okay, first one square piece of aluminum sheet. Okay, aluminum sheet is square piece 6 centimeter. Okay. Here from this sheet a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out. Then small circle. Okay, this 2 centimeter radius, this circle cut out. Then remaining sheet, this is a remaining sheet. We have to calculate this area of the remaining sheet. How can you calculate the area of this remaining sheet? First, area of what? Square sheet minus area of this circle. You will get area of the remaining sheet. Okay. First you write it, area of square. Area of square sheet equal to side into side equal to what? 6 into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter equal to what? 36 centimeter square. What is the area of the circle? Area of circle equal to pi r square. Pi equal to what? 22 by 7 or 3.14. Any value you can take it. But here I am taking 3.14 into 2 into 2. 3.14 into 4 equal to what? 4 4s are 16, 5, 12.56 centimeter square. What is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Area of remaining sheet. Area of square minus area of circle. Equal to area of square equal to what? 36 centimeter square minus 12.56 centimeter square. 36 means 36.00 minus 12.56. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4, 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 1 2. 23.44 centimeter square. Homework exercise 11.3 question number 8 and 10.